In this video, I will be showing you more past year questions related to circles, and we'll start right now. Hello everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you would like to improve in your math skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's take a look at the first past year question. Let's look at question number 1. Mark tick for the correct properties of angles in circles and cross for the incorrect properties of angles in circles. O is the center of the circle. Okay, so let's look at one. The first one, this is the angle subtended at the center, okay, here. And then this is the angle subtended at the circumference, provided their length of arc is the same. They are subtended by the same length of arc. Okay, so we know that from properties of angles in a circle, the angle subtended at the center must be twice the angle subtended at the circumference. So for this is wrong. This is supposed to be 100 and this is supposed to be 50. Okay, so it's a cross. Okay, let's look at number 2. So this is the angle subtended at the circumference. Okay, and the length of arc is the same. Okay, so it's thick, is correct. Okay, so number 3. So this is a chord which is also a diameter and it passes through the center O. Okay, so therefore the angle subtended here should be 90 degrees, not 80 degrees. Okay, so this is a cross. Let's look at question number 2. The diagram below shows a circle with center O. Find the value of y. Okay, so we know that this is the angle subtended at the circumference, okay, and this is the angle subtended at the center, okay, and it must be 2 times of 35. So 2 times of 35 is equals to 70 degrees here, okay. So to find y, I'm going to use 360 degrees minus 70 degrees, and the answer is 290 degrees. Let's look at question number 3. The diagram below shows a circle. Arc BC and arc DE are equal in length. So it means that if this is, okay, this is arc BC, okay, if this is 25 degrees, okay, therefore this is also 25 because the length of arc are the same. Okay, so this is all 25. So to find y, I'm going to use the angle, sum of angle in a triangle, which is 180. So y equals to 180, okay, minus 25 and minus 35, okay, and see what we get. Okay, use a calculator. So 180 minus 25 minus 35, so we get 120. Okay, so the answer is 120 degrees. Let's look at question number 4. In the diagram below, EFGH is a cyclic quadrilateral. FOH is a diameter of the circle with center O and GSJ is a straight line. So name the angle which is equals to angle EHJ. So EHJ is over here. Okay, so this line, it touches this side of the triangle in a circle. Okay, so therefore is equals to this. Okay, so this angle is called angle EFH. Okay, so angle EFH. So that's the answer for 1. Okay, number 2, state whether each of the following relation is true or false. Okay, so for A, EFH, which is here, okay, plus FHE, so FHE here, okay, is 90 degrees. So because FOH is a diameter, therefore this angle is 90 degrees. So if I were to plus this angle, which is EFH plus FHE, is actually 180 minus 90, I will get 90. Okay, so therefore it's true. Okay, let's try B. Angle EHEF, so HEF, okay, I use another color so that it won't confuse. Okay, so HEF is over here. okay, plus FGH. FGH is here. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral in a circle whereby all the 4 vertices lie on the circumference of the circle. Okay, it means that the 2 opposite angles added up together is 180, and this is called cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, so therefore this is also true. So that's the answer. Let's look at question number 5. In the diagram below, KLMN is a cyclic quadrilateral. JKL is a straight line. So state whether each of the following relation is true or false. Okay, let's look here. Angle JKN here, okay, is equals to R here, is false. Why? Because JKN is supposed to be equals to R plus Q. Okay, supposed to be R plus Q. So therefore, this is false. Okay, let's try number 2. Okay, P plus S is not equals to 180. So P and S is supposed to be 180 because in a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, the sum of 2 opposite angles is 180. So it's supposed to be equals, okay? So this is false. Okay, let's look at number 3. Okay, R is equals to Q. So R is over here. This is R, okay, it's equals to Q. Okay, it's true because it's subtended by the same chord. Okay, so it's true. Let's look at question number 6. Diagram below shows a cyclic quadrilateral BCDE. ABC is a straight line. Find the value of y. Okay, so to find y, first of all, I need to find what is this. Okay, so I'm going to use 180 minus 110, I get here 70. Okay, and then this is a cyclic quadrilateral because 4 vertices lie on the circumference. So therefore, the opposite angle, okay, is, so I'm going to use 180 because the sum of 2 opposite angles added up together is 180. So 180 minus 70, so I'll get 110 here. Okay, so this is 110. Okay, so this and this is the same, therefore it's an isosceles. For isosceles, if this is y, over here is y, this is also y. Okay, so to find y, I'm going to use 180, which is the sum of angles in the triangle, minus 110. After that, I divided by 2 to find 1y. Okay, so 180 minus 110 is 70, and then I divided by 2, so I will get 35 degrees. So that is the answer. Well, that's all for now. Do you understand what you learned today? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my new videos every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you keep on learning, keep on practicing, and keep on watching my videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!